Hello, everybody. So I received an early birthday present. My birthday's not for another week from my mother because we were on Amazon and these Brother P Touch, which I've always wanted one, label makers. They at Michael's they're $59.99, and I think they're like 50 normally on Amazon. Amazon had a sale; it was like 24 or 25.99 for these. So, and I get free shipping from Prime, and then a 6-pack of different colored tapes. You're 19.99 for a 6-pack. So, yay! Anyway, I'm gonna unbox this and see how easy it is to figure out how to use. I've seen some other videos, and it doesn't look terribly hard. I've never had a Brother label maker before, though. So I'm trying to think what the other one is, like Dymo, or I can't remember what my other one is. But I mean, it's shaped like this, but it doesn't have all of these features, of course, and all the different colors. And so let's take this off. Now it comes with, make sure these are the same, and I can order something that's not going to fit. Okay. I hope these are the same. Let's see. Yes, they do look the same. Yay! I think it comes with a black, white with black type, maybe. Okay, we'll see. All right, it has this, and it has a nice instruction booklet. We're just going to toss that aside and play with this a little bit. And if I have to, I'll open up the instruction booklet. But I'm hoping I don't have to. All right, so it's got this nice screen. I know it takes 6 AAA batteries. So pull this up. Yes, there's a little thing right here. It looks like you just grip it, pull it up, and the batteries go right here. Okay, so it looks like the bottom row, the positive goes up, and the top row, the positive goes, wait. Okay, so the positive goes down on the bottom row. Is that right? I guess so. Okay. Just like that. That. And then the top row, the positive goes the opposite way. And I sort of took these batteries out of various things because I could only find 4 that I had lying around the house. Okay, which one came with this? That's the one I was going to try to use first so we could just see what comes with it. And I tossed it aside, and now I do not know. They all look the same, do they? Or does this one look different? Nope, they all look exactly the same. Oh, nope, here it is. Sample, it says. Okay, if I could read. Let's see. Sample. All right, let's see how this goes in. So, I think it goes this way. Okay. This. All right, let's figure this out. Okay, so this has got to go like that, right? So it comes out through here. There we go. That's right. Just clicks in place. I'm going to close it up. And, okay, so it says here on the back, Shift plus B plus backspace equals clear. Shift plus the little magnifying glass equals speed. Shift plus print equals print options. Okay, so let's just turn it on. See what it says. Interesting. Okay, so let's just, so here's where it cuts, prints, feed, escape, okay, menu. So let's look at the menu. Language, okay, English, okay, accepted, okay. Menu, so let's go to File, Tab, Clear, Unit, Contrast, Language, okay. You don't need to change any of that. So let's just say okay, 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 okay. All right, so let's go to Font and see what our different fonts are. Just as 1 and 2. Let me turn this off and on. I think I might have gotten stuck in the menu there a little bit. Okay, so font. Here we go. Here's the fonts. Let's pick one we like. Wide. Okay, I'm just going to pick the first one. So, okay. So it looks like these go back and, back and forth, and then you press the OK button when you find Helsinki, Brussels, US, Florida. Well, kind of like Belgium. We're just trying these. I don't know what I'm doing. Label. Label length. Okay, so you can do all sorts of different margins and links. Let's just do the first one. Okay. Auto. Okay. Accepted. All right. Frame. Do we want a frame on here? Underline. Frame with looks like rounded corners. This looks like washi that's been cut. That's cute. I don't know if you can see any of what I'm doing here, but let's see that. Maybe. Oh, it's got arrows on both ends. Let's choose that one. Okay. Symbol. Basic. No, I don't think we need any symbols. Template library. No. Okay, so we're going to go to menu. Oh, first let's go ahead and type a word up. Okay, let's get out of there. Get out of the template library. Symbol. Oh, there are some cool symbols. Never mind. Let's not get out of here. Pictograph. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, I'm going to choose that one. And do we want hearts? Yes, I want hearts. Okay. So now we're going to type our word. Let's just type my name. Okay, it's lowercase, so let's backspace and hit the cap. So let's just hit shift. I just want it, oh, gotta hold it down. Duh, just like a typewriter. Capital, my first letter of my name. And let's put a symbol at the end too. And let's just pick that one. Okay, so now I'm going to print just one copy. Oh, you can choose how many copies you'd like it to print. Well, that is kind of cool. Okay, cut. Oh, okay. So here's my first design. That is very cute. I really like that. Okay, so let's turn this off for a minute because I have different colored tape. So let's put a couple of colors in there and see what we come up with. Okay, I'm probably making that a lot harder than it is. So let's take this one out. So that was the white with black lettering. So let's see. This one is black. This one's yellow. I wanted that pink. Okay, this is pink, berry pink it's called. And I think that the lettering on it is going to be white, if I remember from when I ordered it. So we shall see how that turns out. We need to cut this open? I don't think so. Yeah, there it goes. I have green. I have a bunch of different colors in this 6-pack. Okay, so let's do it like this. And click it in there. Make sure that's going right under there. All right, so maybe we'll do the same thing. I don't know. Let's turn it on. So let's just backspace. That's good. I know there's a clear in the menu somewhere, so we might do that next time. Okay, so let's do font. Let's do the outline one maybe. Okay, normal, bold, outline. Let's do an outline. Okay, so label type. Let's do, try not to catch a glare here. I am so sorry if this isn't clear. Margin, tab. Let's do that one that looks like it's torn if I can find it. Doesn't seem to be on here. So we'll just do that. Okay, full, half, narrow, chain print, full. Okay, let's just go back to full. Okay. Frame. Oh, that's where we get it. Okay. Let me do the one that look. Oh, that's cute though. Boy, it's hard to pick. Let's do. Oh, that is so cute. It's got like a binder clip on one end. I love that. Okay, let's pick that one. And then symbol. I don't think we'll add a symbol. So let's type my name again because I'm boring. I can't think of anything else to type. R-A. And then I will say print. Let's see, it's just one copy. Let's see how this turns out. All right, cut. Now I will say with these, oh, look at that. It looks like a little clipboard. Now I bet you can align the letters a different way. I did not see that yet, but I'm going to play around with it some more. But anyway, guys, I really think this is cute and I'm looking forward to playing with it. And if I figure out even more things to do with it, which I'm sure I will, I might have to relabel everything in my craft room now because I need I need it in pink and white. That is just too adorable. All right, guys, thank you. I hope you enjoyed seeing this Brother P-Touch label maker. And yes, I will put the link below to Amazon because right now it was like $24 or $25.99. Hopefully that sale price is not over. That was just a couple of days ago. So, and also these are just $19.99 for a 6-pack of colors. Really good deal. Thanks everybody for watching and happy crafting.